In front of me is Oppo Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Device Unlock and click on Screen Lock. Now it's time to select one of those login methods. Wait 5 seconds and hit Continue in the pop-up. If you change your mind, tap on Use a different password type and select a different login method here. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, hit Enable. If you don't, select Cancel. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!